Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Matt Donahue. It is Monday, April 28th, and this is your weekly market recap. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Last week, the market composite PMI dropped slightly to 51.2 for April. Still in expansion territory, but just barely. It's a subtle hint that while the economic engine of the U.S. is still running, it's not exactly humming right now. Looking forward, we've got a lot on deck this week. We've got the first estimate of Q1 2025 GDP. The JOLTS job openings data is coming out, the latest PCE inflation report, and non-farm payrolls is coming out on Friday. Now, as we all brace for tariff impacts, the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, issued some sobering forecasts. U.S. 2025 GDP outlook got chopped from 2.7% down to 1.8. Big downgrades also hit major U.S. trading partners such as Mexico, Korea, Vietnam, and Canada. The root cause, not just local factors, but the global web of tariffs and uncertainty. So even though April's PMI number held steady, new export orders plunged, and that's a sign that our trading partners are pulling back. Korean exports dropped 5.2%. Now, semiconductor shipments were a rare bright spot, rising 10.7%. Order front loading could keep some numbers steady for a while, but buckle up. This summer, we could see softer data and stickier inflation. But here's the big play. Defense wins championships, right? So what we want you to think about is diversification in your portfolio. You might want to look at adding liquid alternatives. If you haven't had a chance to talk with someone about that yet, let us know. We'd be happy to have a conversation with you. But stay diversified, stay disciplined. Some Stoic wisdom for the week to kind of help you with that. Marcus Aurelius reminds us turn it inside out. What does that mean? Well, whatever you're facing, whether it's success, fear, setbacks, examine it from every angle. Strip away the hype, strip away the panic, strip away the noise. At the core, it's usually not as scary or as exciting and much less permanent than we imagine. So perspective, can come from a lot of different angles, and it isn't just helpful, it's also armor, right? It helps you make those good decisions. Some smart tax moves for you. You filed your 2024 return, you think you're good, and then you found something you forgot. Now what? If you want to check out our weekly blog post at missionfinancialplanners.com, you'll see a full breakdown of this. But here's the quick rundown. If you forgot to attach your W-2, don't worry, the IRS is going to ask for it. If you missed reporting income, deductions, or credits, file an amended return using Form 1040X. Here's a few golden rules. Don't file an amended return just for simple math errors. The IRS is going to fix that. You have 3 years to do an amendment. So the sooner you fix it, the better, especially if you end up owing more, because don't forget there's always interest and penalties if you owe more. If you do owe more, file now. Minimize those penalties and that interest expense. And hey, while you're at it, get organized for 26. Create folders, file smartly. And if life throws you a curveball, hopefully a good curveball, right? Like a marriage, kids, new house, adjust your W-4, adjust your withholding, right? Make sure you sit down and take a minute to think about what that could really mean for you. It's still Social Security Month, so let's just take a few minutes to talk a little bit about Social Security. This comes from our partner, Elaine Floyd, over at Horse's Mouth. Big shout out to Elaine. Delaying your benefits to 70 will maximize your lifetime payout, especially for married couples. Did you make a bad claiming decision? Well, hey, if you're within 12 months, you can undo it by repaying what you've collected. Did you go back to work after claiming early? Well, good news, withheld benefits do rebuild your eventual check amount. If you're divorced, you might still be eligible for some spousal benefits if you were married at least 10 years. And if you're a surviving spouse, don't forget those survivor benefits can be claimed as early as 60, but strategy matters. You want to talk with someone like the team at Mission Financial Planners about timing for that because you might have a few more options there. The bottom line, Social Security is not just a government check. It is a pension and it is an important part of your overall retirement plan. A good strategy could mean a lot more money over your lifetime. So markets are moving, policies are shifting, life keeps happening. What's the secret? Hey, stay calm, stay prepared, plan wisely, keep moving forward. For more charts, disclosures, and deep dives, check out our blog post. You can see it all in detail there. And remember, as Marcus Aurelius said, the Earth itself is just a speck, right? There's a much bigger universe out there. Stay grounded, stay strategic, and stay strong. Thanks again, everyone. Have a great week.